Adding the final ingredients to this bucket of watermelon peel enzyme. Now, the fruit peels have all settled at the bottom. Look, there are still bubbles rising inside, which means the enzyme is still fermenting. Microorganisms inside are continuing to multiply and metabolize. The white mycelium on top is yeast, formed when exposed to air. Its presence increases the nutrient content. It is not the mold that forms when something goes bad. These fruit peels contain cellulose, pectin, vitamins, minerals, and various organic compounds, all of which make excellent enzyme materials. The final ingredient is eggshells. Speaking of eggshells, if they are raw, be sure to clean off the egg residue inside. Eggshells mainly consist of calcium carbonate and trace minerals. Egg liquid contains proteins and fats, which, if not washed off, may produce unpleasant odors or affect the fermentation process. Here is another bag of watermelon peels. After adding them, the mix is almost complete. So, we will add some more molasses. Sugar is an essential ingredient for enzyme and liquid fertilizer production. It serves as an energy source for microbial growth and metabolism. Without enough sugar, beneficial microorganisms will struggle to grow, allowing harmful bacteria to invade and multiply, producing unwanted substances. If omitted, the final enzyme product will be significantly less effective and nutritious. Next, we add some bacillus bacteria. Just a small amount is needed, since fruit peels already contain naturally occurring microorganisms. However, their types and quantities are limited. Adding this ensures that beneficial microbes multiply, forming a strong community that suppresses harmful microbes, reducing the risk of spoilage and foul odors. This also improves the enzyme's quality and effectiveness, making the final product richer in nutrients and more easily absorbed by plants. Finally, everything must be thoroughly mixed to ensure complete fermentation. Molasses, in particular, must be fully dissolved when first using the enzyme. Do not use a high concentration. Simply dilute a small amount in water. Fruit peel enzymes contain various vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial nutrients. For example, orange peels are rich in vitamin C, while banana peels contain high levels of potassium. These nutrients are readily absorbed by vegetables, promoting their growth and development. They enhance the quality and nutritional value of fruits and vegetables, while also boosting their immunity, reducing susceptibility to pests and diseases. The enzymes contain a large number of microorganisms that improve soil structure, increase aeration, and enhance water and nutrient retention, creating an optimal environment for plant roots.